Hello everyone and welcome to Tiresome. Today we are going to a car, well it's like somewhere between a car show, a Cars and Coffee. They call it a car meet with the Tainbridge Classics. I say we, because Father's here. And what car are we going to go in? Oh, no, not the Supra, the Riley. You may have seen this one in the back of shot, some of the videos we did together, the Lotus throttle linkagey one, things like that. But this, without going too far into it, in fact, almost for both of us, if we're talking motoring, the one constant, no matter how many cool cars this fella's had over all his years that I've experienced, and no matter how many shit boxes I buy on to work and look after, this is the constant, the one that at least has been completely in my life and a lot of yours.
Since I was 10.
So this means a lot, this car. It's a Riley 472. It's got an what engine?
BMC B series.
It's a B. I was going to say A series. I knew I was going to get it wrong. It's a B series. So it's a 4-cylinder. It's like they did Wolseley's and what was the other one? Austin Cambridge.
Austin Cambridge, Morris Oxford, Wolseley 1660, MG Magnet.
So they're all basically the same car, but the Riley was the big dog. Yeah, it's got the twin SUs, correct?
Correct.
And just suspension tweaks and
High
stuff?
lift cam.
High lift. Ooh!
Twin anti-roll bars. Jaeger gauges.
Good old Jaeger. And they work too.
Yes.
So let's hop in the Riley and get to this meet. I'm looking forward to it and seeing. We went a couple of years ago was it a couple of years or a year ago?
A year, I think.
A year?
Yeah.
We went in the Elise actually. I did not film it. And we actually went many years ago in this car and I drove it. I'm not driving it today. Could have. I can't be arsed. Been working on cars all day. I'd rather just chill and, have a nice day or evening out with Father. So, let's see what else is there.
Let's do it.
So, that is the lovely ticking clock of the Riley.
The Jaeger clock.
The Jaeger clock. And the starting procedure is actually quite normal.
Hopefully it's put your huge super safety key into the ignition, turn it and things happen on the ammeter and that, and then off we are.
Blammo.
There we are.
The gear stick's a delicate thing. You won't be able to obviously translate it in camera how it feels, but it's literally like a rifle bolt. It's a very nice shift. It's directly into the box, so it's a beautiful one. And what's worth mentioning as well is this engine has been completely rebuilt.
Yes.
So yes.
Of course, as you would expect, you need to plan manoeuvres because you have no power steering.
Look, there's Tim.
Yes, you need to plan stuff.
You do need to plan stuff, as with any good old car. Obviously manual steering, but the bus-sized steering wheel actually makes it not too arduous. And here we are, getting overtaken by chavs, and we're actually ripping. We're ripping along. It's good. I'm liking this. So Father was just saying, it's worth saying the story actually. So the Riley Club actually went from what, Reading area?
We went from Ruton Park in North London to Edinburgh.
That's in Scotland.
Yes, that is in Scotland, and that was over a period of 3 days.
So it was like a mini gumball, all Rileys, loads of pre-war stuff and everything like this too. And this did not miss a beat. It did really well the whole way. You can see the super accurate speedo
over the trip, because of course we had to get from Plymouth to London to the start. So overall, over 8 days, we did 1,400 miles in 8 days, and she did 33 miles to the gallon, and I checked her every morning and she didn't even need topping up. So very
good
chuffed.
going, that is.
Very chuffed.
Right. That is the Riley. It's amazing. It's awesome here. This is all proper real wood. There's even real cobwebs. All that sort of stuff. It has actually been fully restored once. The seals and everything though are original.
We replaced the windscreen seal when I had a new windscreen.
Oh, did you? I noticed the rear one.
What I would say is that I didn't do any restoration on things that I couldn't restore. So nothing on the inside of the whole dashboard. The only thing I did was redo the temperature gauge, because it's a capillary that goes straight into the side of the engine, you know, filled with whatever it is, alcohol, and that wasn't working. So I had that gauge restored.
I remember that actually.
And I've had the clock rebuilt once. But other than that, this is all original paint. Even the door cards, the paint, all the paint on the inside of the car is original. I only had the outside repainted, nothing on the inside.
He's thought that. That's so good.
Headlining original, everything. New carpet set, because they were just dead.
Yeah.
And the seats have been re-upholstered. That cost a lot of money because they're all leather.
Yeah. But worth it.
Oh yeah.
Right.
So we're cruising at between 50 and 60. I wouldn't.
Yeah.
I'm not quite sure what that means.
Yeah.
But it's around that area, and I know for a fact that at about $3,000 we're doing at about 55. So that's a reasonably good average between those two swinging points.
And onwards. We're just leaving Plymouth now. There's Plimpton going past now. So we'll be in Exeter in 45 minutes or so.
Yeah.
Lovely. Let's see what it's like when we get there. What other cars there are.
Yes.
We have arrived. Oh, loopy-loo. That's lovely. A bit of services action. Let's see if we can fit in anywhere else. Looking at some beautiful cars already. I remember that Honda Accord actually from last time. No room in the inn. Never mind, at least we got a parade through.
Yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted really.
Yeah. Oh, there is a space behind.
Yes. I'll try not to get that hedge.
Shall I get out first and then you can just put it in the hedge?
No, we'll get it right.
Okay, alright.
Just needs a little more.
This is the
Adjustment.
the non-power steering life, by the way. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Look at that. He turns it inside out, he turns it upside down. Father's ruined that BMW driver's life because he's now had to pull forward to let him get in his car because father parked too close.
It's because he was parked too close to the white line. Because these lard-ass modern cars are too wide for the spaces.
Yes.
Whereas us nice slim oldies.
He gave us a lovely wave. He was thankful. He was thankful.
See?
We're just moving the car again because now father's realised that now the BMW's gone. We can park in that.
Mondeo's gone.
Mondeo's gone. Park next to the Beetle.
Yeah, the Beetle.
Ah, beautiful.
Come on,
musical spaces with musical faces.
Next to him. That's much nicer.
Oh, we've got someone behind.
Have we? Oh. Do you want to get out first?
Sure.
Why not? You can film me parking.
I can film him parking, he says. Beautiful. Oh, lovely. This is textbook parking. Look at that, he's a happy man. He's a happy man. So here we are, we have arrived. We thought we would start with this Mini, which has got to be like a nut and bolt. Oh, look at this. Oh, the pop van. Beautiful. Oh, gorgeous. But look at this. It's got the right fogs. They look like factory fogs. If you look at the way they're mounted down there, they look like factory fogs. It's got the tri-headlights. It's properly good stuff. And inside, look at that, even the crossbar's been painted lovely. Some wiring stuff going on, of course, as all good Minis. We were also then talking about this MGB, correct spec by the way, wire wheels with steel bumpers, and very, very, very original. Oh yeah, in fact those are the same air controls as are in the Riley. Very nostalgic for me. And let's have a look at this self-proclaimed V8 knob. I don't know how you get a slash in your number plate. Don't know if that's legal or not. Don't know if he cares. Oh, it's actually got a Corvette engine, so that's an LS7, I think. And then it's not. It's a Manuel. It is a Manuel. A manual 5.7 litre V8.
It's got somewhere you can properly put your foot.
It's got a footrest.
Oh, come on. this is almost a proper car.
Well, this is what the Cavalier should have been. It's just a bit more Australian, mate. And this one's got a bit of an American influence with that LS7 up front. Very cool. And then we've got this Accord, which I have seen before. It always catches me off guard, this one. Those gold accents on the wheels, and there's a slight yellowing to the headlights, but I think that's on purpose because they've got gold trims on things and a gold badge. But the guy loves it, that's for sure. And it's a V6. I think it's an auto from memory, so it is like a bit of a cruiser. It is an auto, yeah. But it says special edition on the dash, so I'm assuming all those gold accents are for that purpose. But it's pretty cool. Garlic, yes. This is not just Le Car, it's the sequel. Or is it squared? No, no. Nice fabric seat. That's quite a weird shape of seat, I must say. That is, look, the speaker down there.
The speaker of the radio.
I don't know if have I got a. Can I turn my polarizing filter on? There's a little bit.
And the wheel is funky.
The wheel is funky. The French do like a funky wheel. Lovely. Oh, I know why it's got the funky speaker, look. It's the GTL. We're stood next to a Peugeot. Which is a Peugeot, a 405 GLX. I think it's sort of, it's just one of those cars you don't see anymore. Yeah, I feel like it was only yesterday these were everywhere, right? Another Mini. Doesn't look like it's been restored too much, just lovingly looked after. And another Mini. And if you thought that the Mini wasn't quite small enough, then you can get this one. Which is just, it looks like something wacky races-y or something, doesn't it? Actually, sorry, I said it's a Mini. It's got Riley Elf rear end, isn't it?
It's got a Wolseley.
Oh, it's got a Wolseley badge.
It's
a Wolseley.
What it doesn't have is doors.
Oh yeah, it doesn't have any doors, so you just have to just jump in.
You got to leap.
Jump in, and there's no equipment inside, like a little step or something. It must be a strangely tall man or woman. There's a lovely looking Riley over here. There's a Beetle, if you're into that sort of thing. This one's got its bonnet open. I'm assuming because it's got a huffing, I was going to say huffing great carburetor, but actually now I look at it, it's not that big. But it's there, it's got Olden ignition. Get on, lad! There's a 16 valve Fiat. Obviously you want the 20 valve, really. You want the 20 valve, but it's a nice car. There's a 206. I don't actually even know if it's. I think this is right on the brink of an XJS Jaguar. The thing with these is those blacked out rear lights really work, and they still got the buttresses of the previous XJS.
I like the way the engine's canted over at a dizzy angle.
Oh yes, it's got to be done. Warning, rotating components. And it goes that way round, and that's your firing order apparently. But of course it's the straight 6, it's the XK engine, isn't it? After all those years. Oh yeah, definitely, especially when it's looked after. We've got a little midget over there, a bus. Another Mini. This is Mini Central, man. Jesus.
Oh, I hope he's not going, because you've got to get a shot of that.
Oh, this is the Q-plate car.
Topless Sirocco.
This is a Q-plate.
Oh, it's just arrived.
So, Q-plates are normally reserved for prototypes and that sort of thing. Cars that were homemade are Q-plates as well. But usually, if a car's heavily modified or whatever, it won't have a Q plate, it'll still have an original VIN. So I just spoke with the owner. The reason why it's on a Q plate is because less than 40% of it is actually an original Scirocco. So it had to get re-registered entirely. That's why it's on a Q plate, even though it is just a coach-built convertible kit installed on a Scirocco. Really cool. This is definitely, apart from the Riley of course, I think my pick so far for favourite of the show. These Populars are just insane. I love these so much. We saw one at Santa Pod a couple of years ago. Do you remember that one we saw at Santa Pod?
Yeah.
That was so good. I would own that, I would drive it, I would love it every day for the rest of my life. It was perfect. And this is a van version, of course, you can tell, because it's a van. Thames?
It's a full Thames van.
Oh.
Before it was a Popular, they were called Thames. I think they called the vans Thames and the cars Populars.
Oh, okay. So we're wrong. Good. Well, I'm sure everyone's already written that in the comments already. There's the front of the Beetle if you wanted a different angel. Look at this midget, bumperless, debumpered. It's a little road rocket, I'm sure. And it really is just a really scaled down version of the MGB, isn't it? It's the same but just different. Oh, okay, so you probably didn't hear because the microphone's this way, but Father said this one's been debumpered because it would have originally had rubbers, which is what the person on the end should have done to their MG. This is a Volkswagen bus with what looks like at least a very old-fashioned interior.
Nice.
Oh, it's a lovely little day van. You got your doggo cushion.
Oh, what's it top as well?
Oh, has it? Oh, he's got a lifty boy.
Yeah. Very nice.
And he's all Schofield. Don't know what that is. Probably some thing. I don't know. Oh no, the seagull doesn't like it. He's suicided everywhere, unfortunately. A little Escort with RS wheels on. Time to get a little bit of food. Oh. Father's having a burger with some chunky chips. I also had a burger. It's worth mentioning that we are in the Brightside Diner on the A38, and this is the decor. Isn't it awesome? We were just saying about these lights and fixtures and things at the top there. Like how do they get this stuff? Those seats is crazy, but really cool. And Father just said it could be a film set, and that's when I said, oh well, maybe I should let you guys know. But there's actually a few of these around. The Brightside sort of I guess it's a franchise, but yeah, it's so cool. And it goes quite well with the classic cars, of course. That's it, we're done eating now. There's a Cavalier, an Escort, and Father's found a load of people to talk to, so that's good. And there we have it. We've had some food, we've seen some cars, nearly everyone's gone now. Father's had a lovely chat with some people.
Yes.
We've been invited, look at this, Father. We've been invited to the Tamebridge Car Club.
Excellent.
This is the black card.
They're a nice bunch.
Yes, of course. As most car people are.
Yes, indeed. Yeah.
Thank you very much for joining us. We will get home safely and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Cheers. Bye. Cheers then. Hey, bye. Bye. Thanks for that.